Welcome back, you lovely lot. This is our latest instalment of our Project Isuzu build, where I go to visit many of the ARB hubs here in the UK to find out what wonderful accessories we can add to take what is already a very good truck and make it a little bit better. Now, as you can see, she's coming along at a rate of knots. I've got my base rack on there now. I've got my lovely hardtop. And because of that, I've now got more storage space almost than I know what to do with. Now, it's all very well having that wonderful storage space in the back, but there's quite a lot of room in there and things just rattle about. So today I'm going to put that right. I'm here at Tweedmouth Isuzu, lovely bunch of people on the borders, and we are going to fit the ARB Outback Drawer System, and that will give me all the stowage, all the storage, all the organisation I need. And it looks rather nice too. So let's see what it's all about. Tweedmouth Service Station has been going since 1972 as a family-run business, and it really shows. A wonderful showroom with a fantastic selection of Isuzu stock, a brilliant workshop with experienced technicians, and of course, they're an ARB hub that can offer everything you could ever want for your pickup. You don't get Matt though. He is very much an added extra. There's Boss Michael making a quick cameo before we wander over to the goods themselves. Now, it used to be asking someone to show you their drawers could get you a slap round the face. But as Jamie's showing you, these are drawers you'd like to take a much closer look at. Fabulous quality. I'd almost say aircraft quality, really. They're very over-engineered to go in the back of a pickup truck because, as you can see, it takes 3 big lads to put them in. We shall return to the quality of the fixings in just a moment, after a read of the instructions, of course. But you can see how it works. They fit in the middle, and then these very substantial brackets go either side to secure them perfectly, centrally, in the middle of the bed. This is where Jamie took considerable time measuring, checking, rechecking, remeasuring, and centralising, because obviously these get bolted through the floor of the bed. You do not want these moving, they're substantial. And as you can see, the trim pieces that go on the side and then on the top make it look very smart indeed. These side trim panels that will go on the top will actually give you effectively a fully carpeted boot area. Now, because the type of liner that we chose, that had to be carefully trimmed by Jamie to get them to fit snugly and perfectly. Just a small amount of clearancing made them fit like factory, and then these clip in to give you extra storage space as well. And now many measurements and many checks, because we're about to reach the point of no return when we bolt this entire structure through the bed of the truck. The drill's coming out after about 15 checks. This is going through, and these are bolted with substantial bolts all the way through the floor of the bed and carefully tightened before being torqued up. And now we can start to fit out our amazing drawers and kitchen. That's right, you heard me, our kitchen. As you can probably tell by the 3 lads lifting it in, this is a bit of a drawer. That will take 150 kilos per side and 100 kilos on top of the roller floor. So look at me now. I've got a full boot back again, carpeted. I've got drawer space on both sides. I've got side locker space. I can put anything into this I want, and that is marine carpet, so I can also get it pretty dirty. But my real party trick is this fold-out kitchen. Worktop, cooker, huge stainless steel workbench, and of course, everything including the kitchen sink. So I can rustle up a barbecue wherever I might be in the world. Just add gas. So don't let that soft carpet fool you. This is tough stuff, and I'm ready to go on my camping trip. I just need somewhere to stay. If you like the look of the guys at Tweedmouth, and who doesn't, make sure you give them a visit, and make sure you've liked and subscribed for our next episode.